Hello and welcome to this week's Market Share, a short weekly segment brought to you by MKR, where we bring you all of the noteworthy news and updates surrounding digital media in the world today. My name is Danny, and if you missed our Digital Dilemma webinar, you can watch a recording of it over at mkragency.com/digital-dilemma. It was a great discussion. First up this week, LinkedIn launches a new digital magazine called Return to Growth. The magazine consists of insights, case studies, interviews, tips and tricks to help businesses get their marketing on the right path. The magazine also includes some LinkedIn usage stats and some notes. Certainly something worth checking out. Next up, TikTok has added a new recipe integration. Anytime someone shows off a recipe on TikTok, they can now set it up so that a user can click and see the full recipe thanks to integration with the Whisk app. And this is cool beyond just recipes. I see a future where creators will be able to link to products or service lines, and it'll be built directly into TikTok's functionality. I look forward to seeing where this leads. Third for the week, out-of-home ads are hitting a little harder these days. People have been stuck inside for almost a full year at this point, staring at their screens for almost every hour they're awake. And while that's led to new breakthroughs for digital advertising, it's also leading to a little bit of burnout. This has led to a newfound appreciation for real-world ad placements. According to a report by the Out-of-Home Advertising Association of America and the Harris Poll, 55% of consumers in big cities are noticing more outdoor signage and messaging. On top of that, out-of-home is influencing purchase decisions for 34% of consumers in big cities. I know that the future leans digital, but with all that's going on, now might be a good time to explore some more traditional options. Next on the list, every social media platform continues to copy every other social media platform. Twitter is evolving Spaces to better compete with the new social platform Clubhouse. Facebook is also working on building their very own Clubhouse competitor. Oh, and Facebook is also looking to roll out Super, their Cameo competitor, the app where you can pay celebrities to send you short videos. And YouTube is bringing their TikTok competitor, Shorts, to the US next month. Remember when apps and social platforms were built around a specific functionality? Wasn't that nice? All of this to say, we have a lot to keep our eyes on. All of these new spaces popping up could lead to new and better ad placements. We'll try to keep you as informed as possible. Last for the week, a reminder to, whenever possible, track which websites your programmatic ads are showing up on. A lot of big name brands have come to realize that their ads are showing on websites that spout false COVID information or off-the-wall political conspiracy theories. It's not always easy, as sometimes we don't have very much insight into where those programmatic ads are showing, but that doesn't mean we shouldn't try. Take every precaution that you can to be sure your ads aren't showing up next to some unsavory content. And that's all for this week's Market Share. My name is Danny, and I hope your leads are a lot warmer than the weather outside. Later.